Vertical addition. Leo went to Eva's birthday party and took some candies. Let's see how many candies he has. He has 5 orange candies and 3 blue candies. How many candies does he have in total? Well done! Leo has 8 candies. Otto was at the birthday party too, and he took loads of candy. He has 32 orange candies and 64 blue candies. How many candies does he have in total? There are so many! It will take too long to count them. Which of these options do you think is best to do the sum? Using the blocks to count more easily, counting on your fingers, or drawing lines?
Well, Otto has a ton of candy, so if I draw lines, I think that will take me forever. I don't have enough fingers to count all of the candies he has, so let's try blocks. I think that's the best option.
Great idea! It will be easier if we break down the numbers into tens and units using the blocks. Let's try it. First, we're going to represent the number 32. There's a 2 in the units column, so we place 2 cubes in the table. There's a 3 in the tens column, so we need 3 rods. We do the same with the 64, using 4 cubes and 6 rods. Now that we've got all the blocks in place, we just have to work out how many blocks and bars there are in total. We're going to place the tables on top of each other to make it easier. That's better. Now it's easier to see how many cubes and bars there are. We're going to arrange the numbers in the same way. We're going to put the 32 on top, using the boxes for each number. The 2 goes in the units column and the 3 goes in the tens. Next, we put the 64 underneath, putting the units and the tens in the same order. The 4 under the 2 and the 6 under the 3. Units under units and tens under tens. Now that we have the numbers in order, we can add them. We start with the cubes, the units. 2 plus 4. We have 2 cubes at the top and 4 cubes at the bottom. How many cubes do we have in total? After you answer, press this button.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units in total.
Very good! 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now we need to add the rods, the tens. 3 plus 6. There are 3 rods at the top and 6 below. How many rods are there in total?
Okay, so we know that there are 6 rods below, so 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rods in total.
Excellent! 3 plus 6 equals 9. The result of the sum is 96. Otto has 96 candies. Amy took a lot of candies too, 41 yellow candies and 38 green ones. To work out how many she has in total, we have to add 41 and 38. The first thing we're going to do is arrange the numbers so we can add them, like before. We need to drag them to the right place. I'll do the 4, and you can do the rest. When you've finished, press this button. Excellent! The tens and the units are lined up. Now we're going to represent the numbers we want to add with the blocks. Use the blocks to represent the number 41. When you've finished, Press this button.
Okay, so 41. Four rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Very good! Use the blocks to represent the number 38.
Great, let's do the same. So we need 3 rods, 1, 2, 3, and 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 38.
Perfect! The sum is in order and the blocks are in place. Now the easy part, adding. We add the units column first. 1 plus 8. Add 1 cube to 8 cubes. How many cubes are there in total?
That's easy. So we have 8 plus 1 gives us 9.
Very good! 1 plus 8 equals 9. Now we add the rods, the tens. There are 4 rods at the top and 3 below. How many rods are there in total?
Okay, so we know there are 4 rods on the top. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rods.
Excellent! 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now we have the result of the sum. 41 plus 38 equals 79. Now you know. When you have to do a complicated sum, try adding vertically, units with units and tens with tens.